Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Trello to build a project management app experience easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Trello.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up and fill in your details. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. To create a new board, click on the Create New Board button on the sidebar. Name your board with a relevant title to reflect your project management app. Choose a background color or image that fits your theme. Select whether you want your board to be private, workspace visible, or public. Click Create Board to proceed. Now you'll see an empty board with the option to add lists. Start by creating your first list, which can be titled Backlog or To Do. Click on Add a List and enter the title, then hit Enter. Continue adding lists such as In Progress, Review, and Completed. Next, you can start adding cards to your lists, beginning with the Backlog list. Click on Add a card under the Backlog list. Enter a name for the card that describes the task. Click Add Card to save your new task. To detail each task, click on the card to open it. Here, you can add descriptions, due dates, attachments, and checklists. Utilize the Labels feature to categorize tasks visually. Click on Labels and choose colors and names for effective organization. Now that your lists and cards are set up, let's explore automation. Click on Power UPS in the menu and search for Butler. Enable Butler to automate repetitive tasks on your board. With Butler, you can set rules, buttons, and scheduled commands to streamline your workflow. For example, you can create a rule to move cards to In Progress automatically when due dates are approaching. Now you can invite team members by clicking on Invite in the board menu. Enter their email addresses to collaborate in real time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.